Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mass unfollow people from your Twitter account. Okay, then without any further delay, let's get started. And open Google Chrome on your laptop or computer desktops and go to twitter.com. Okay, then log in to your accounts and go to the following list. Following list. Here we have to learn a trick that if we want to unfollow. By this trick, if you want to unfollow mass number of people, so it depends how many people you follow and how many people you gonna unfollow. I would suggest you to unfollow people in bunches, like 50 to 50 and 100 like this, and make sure you how many people you want to unfollow, make sure you load them all. So let me show you. Okay, first here you can see that my following number is 957. My following number is 957. So let me just load 50 or 57 followings, and okay, I think it's 30 around or 40. Okay, let's unfollow these people. Okay, then just simply right click, make sure you load as I mentioned earlier, and right click anywhere here and go to inspect, and there is a text which you have to written in this console panel, which you will find in the description below, and just copy that and paste it here and enter. Okay, it will take some time, okay, depending upon the number of people you are unfollowing. Okay, this will take some time. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now you can see unfollow. Okay, so where it is? Yeah, we unfollow many people. Yeah, up to it here. Here it is showing following because this page wasn't loaded when we started this process. Okay, so till here we can see that our following list is cleared. Okay, now we have to refresh this list. I think let's go up. Yeah, here you can see we unfollowed at least 100 people on a go. So here you can say that you can unfollow 100 people by bunches. If you are following 1000 people, so I would suggest you to do 100 unfollow 100 people at a go. Okay, so this will save you much time, and you will get a good result out of that. Okay, thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, or if you really get a solution to your problem, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the another video.